Hello, this is just a quick video for anybody that's having issues with their LED TV turning on and off immediately. This particular one is a JVC 50-inch TV. I'll put the link to the model number in the description. But this was switching on, flashing the JVC logo and then switching off immediately. Looking online, people were saying it's the system board, the main board, the power board, but a few people were saying it's the LED strips or one of the LED strips. So I stripped the TV down. I'm down to the LED strips at the back, and I have identified the issue. To test the LED strips, you need to get 3 9-volt batteries and link them in sequence like that, negative to positive, positive to negative, and just using these 2 wires, just test the terminals on any of the strips until you find a dead strip. So that's a good one. That's a good one. I won't show you them all because I have found the issue. The issue was with this particular strip here. When I tested it, it didn't work. This is a faulty strip. And if I test that, it's completely dead. Nothing at all. And it's that strip that's causing the voltage variation when it talks back to the main board, so it shuts itself down in the split second it takes to switch the TV on. So if you do have one of these, it is worth, if you're prepared to take it apart, it is fairly easy to do if you're confident in taking electronics apart and able to put them back together again. That particular replacement part is about £12, so for a 50-inch TV I am going to spend the £12 to fix it. But yeah, this is the key to testing. 3 9-volt batteries, daisy chained together, and that's your LED tester. It works really well. Cheers.